Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are best in health. After discussing future time reference, in today's video, we will talk about present perfect progressive tense. Present perfect progressive is used to talk about actions that started sometime in the past and are still continuing. As is shown in the picture, some players are practicing in the stadium. They have been exercising there since 6 o'clock in the morning. Varun has been skipping for 2 hours. Now look here, when did the players start practicing? Since 6 o'clock in the morning. Are they still practicing or have they stopped? Yes, they are still practicing and they have not stopped. In present perfect progressive tense, we use has been, have been and ing with first form of verb. In worksheet 2, a picture of Mr. Prasad's house is shown here and the various members of the family have been doing since evening, and you have to use present perfect progressive tense in which we will use has been and have been. Now, first sentence is Mr. Prasad has been watching a TV. Mrs. Prasad has been cooking porridge. Nikita has been helping her mother. Like this, you will complete this worksheet. Some situations are given in worksheet 3 and you have to write 2 reasons for that situation using present perfect progressive. Now, first is why is Seema's hair wet? Because she has been swimming, because she has been walking in the rain. Second is why is Neelu looking so tired? Because she has been running so fast, because she has been taking bath. Similarly, you have to write third, fourth and fifth on your own. In worksheet 4, 2 sentences are given. Rishi has been swimming since 4 o'clock. Rahul has been swimming for 1 hour. We use since with the perfect progressive to talk about the starting point of an action. Since when? Rishi has been swimming since 4 o'clock. Rishi started swimming and he is still swimming. We use for with the perfect progressive to talk about a length of time. How long Rishi has been swimming. Here we can take the example of Rahul has been swimming for 1 hour. Starting time is not known but total time is 1 hour. Now, do the above sentences tell you when did Rishi start swimming? Sentence is telling he started swimming at 4 o'clock. Yes. When did Rahul start swimming? Time period is not given. No. How long has Rishi been swimming? Time period is not given. No. How long has Rahul been swimming? Here time period is given. And now your homework is complete worksheet 1 to 4 and do worksheet 5 of lesson 10. Thank you and have a nice day.